Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how to create more than one list to organize and gather all your things to do. Sometimes gathering all your to-do items into one single list may be confusing and counterproductive, especially if you have a long list of things of a different nature. This is my first video on this channel, and my name is Antonio Fischetti. I'm the author of XorTime, a Windows tool to implement Pomodoro Technique. I hope this will help you get the most of XorTime features and finally boost your productivity. This is XorTime main page. You see here all the things planned for today. For the purpose of this video, I'll move straight to the second page called Next Things, which is for anything that will be completed in the future. You will find here at least this activity inventory. The reason behind that is XorTime was started as a tool to implement the Pomodoro Technique method. Anyway, if you like, you can change its name and its usage. I'll go through that later on. Let's assume I'm in the office now. A new day has just begun and I'm browsing this list while sipping my coffee. I want to pick up the right to-dos, important ones which are relevant to my job. As I scroll down this list, I stumble upon some items that, by nature, cannot be worked now. I'm in the office now, so I'll be able to clean up my kitchen once I'll be at home, and possibly during the weekend. So items like this one, in the context of my office work, become a sort of distraction. The more your list becomes huge, the more it becomes confusing. And you could even miss an urgent item with an important deadline. So, working with one single to-do list may not help your productivity. I thought it could be a good idea to have the same approach as GTD, Getting Things Done method. That's why I decided to extend the concept of activity inventory. If you are a Pomodoro enthusiast, don't worry. On one hand, I left everything in place to keep XorTime fully compliant with Pomodoro Technique guidelines. On the other, I've added the possibility to create several lists. Each list will specialize on a specific topic. This way you can classify and organize your things to do as they come in. As an example, I'll create now one list for house chores and another one for to-dos related to finance management. So, apart from this list, how can we create a brand new one? Pretty simple, just click on the plus button and enter a name. Now we can fill this up as we need. Then let's create a list for finance stuff. This will be our placeholder for to-dos related to our money. Whenever a new to-do comes in, we will add it to the proper list. For example, I need to compare prices before buying a new fridge. Well, this is something for the house chores bucket, right? I'll move this row up on top of the list, like this way. What's the right number of lists that we need? Well, that depends on you, on your activities, on the way you want to organize your things. You could create a list for a project you're working on. You could have a list for a specific context. For example, things you can do when you are in the city center. As I mentioned, this is the same approach as GTD, and if you're using GTD, you might already be using several to-do lists. What if we need to change the tab order here, or change one of these names? Just click the to-do list button, manage, and by dragging the items, we can change the order to display our lists. We can also change the name of each list in this way. First, click to select, and then click again to edit. I change this to money, and I'll change this to click once, then click again. I'll change it to, for example, inbox. So this will be the new order in which we will see our lists: money, house chores, and inbox. That's all for now. If you like this video and find it useful, add a thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Any comments? Write in the space down below this video. I'll be happy to go through and reply all of them. In a next video, I'll show you other features and details about the to-do items and how XorTime can help you be more productive. Thanks for watching and happy Pomodoro!